Hi everyone, it's Alicia, and today I am joined again by Julio over at Studio Suite. Julio, how are you doing today?
Doing great. Thanks for asking, Alicia. How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you. So in this week's video, you are going to be walking us through the task management feature within Studio Suite. First, you're going to tell us a little bit more about that, and then you're going to switch over to a live demo. So I'd like to just turn it right over to you to tell us a little bit more.
Yeah, absolutely. So management is, of course, crucial for any business and any studio. So in Studio Suite, we facilitate that, and we have it interwoven in different modules. So you can find it in the context module. There's a task management module itself, where you can keep track of those. You can see it in the home screen. You can see it in projects. So that's something always in top of mind in Studio Suite. So I would love to give you a quick little tour about that. So here we go. If you look over here on the left bottom quadrant, we're going to see tasks. So these are the tasks that have been assigned to me or that I've created for myself. And I can scroll up or down. They're color coded depending on the status. And if I click on it, then I can go ahead and edit the details or edit the status from right here. If I have Studio Suite Lite, which is a mobile application, then I would also be able to change those statuses from the mobile application, and I would also be able to see my tasks from the mobile application. So that's another place where you can find tasks. And if we go to contacts, let's go ahead and look for my example, Julio. There we go. If I go to employee, there's a tasks tab over here. And again, I can see all the tasks that have been assigned to me. I can also establish a priority number. So to establish a priority for any of these, again, color coordinated. There's a due date. I can also estimate how long this task is going to take. I can attach it to a project if I want, and I can also send a reminder to somebody else, a notification, and share this task with somebody else, or just send it to somebody else if I want to share it. All right, so we also have, like I mentioned, a task module. So here it is. We have 33 tasks that have not been completed, and looks like there's 2 coming up. So we get that right there, right off the bat. And if we click on it and go into the task module, we can choose to find all, and it's going to show all the tasks. And of course, there's going to be tons of them. You can also filter through them. So if I just want to look at my tasks, I can do that as well. You can also type in a keyword over here on the search field. So, if it's a service, or maybe if it's mixing, anything that has to do with mixing, you can also do a search like that, and it'll look for these keywords over here. And you can also search by all these options. That's pretty easy and handy. You can create a new task from here easily by clicking over here on New. So let me show you what that would look like. It's pretty straightforward and easy. You can assign your priority, include your text. If you want to attach it to a project, fine. Due date, assign it to a team member. And there we go. Move on with your day. It's as simple as that. And the other place where it's really convenient to have access to tasks is in the projects module. So this is what a lot of us use for most of the part of the day. So here we go. We're in a sample project, and we have tasks. So see that there's one that has been created. Collect the NDAs from group. This one's assigned to me. I can send it as an email if I want to remind this person, in case, and this gives my example, or I can also send a notification from here. There we go. And send it as an SMS or as an email. So, cancel this one for now. If I want to create a new one, it's really simple. I can include the text over here, include a due date, and assign it to somebody. It doesn't have to be myself. There's also groups that you can assign it. So if I want to send this task to our editor groups, then here we go. I don't have to look for them individually. So that's also really handy and a time saver. perfect. I want to notify these guys. Excellent. Let's email them, or maybe not. Let's just send them a text message. It's from our sample company. Perfect. We'll choose the recipients and call it a day. So, all right, Alicia and Studio Suite friends, I hope this was useful and helpful. So I'll pass it back on to you, Alicia.
All right, Julio. Well, thank you so much for showing us that. You went in depth and showed us exactly where we can find all of our tasks, whether we're breaking it down at the personal level, a project level, or, we just need to see everyone's tasks. That's really important when it comes to studio management. So I'm sure that we have people watching this video who are thinking, oh my gosh, this is exactly what I need to help manage my tasks and my team's tasks within one easy to use place. So if that's you and you're interested in finding out more about Studio Suite, you can get in contact with Julio and his team by giving them a call. You can also visit online at studiosuite.com just to read a little bit more, and you can sign up for a free demo there.